Cherish Messy Painter here. Today I am working on a Dutch Bloom, Dutch Blowout, Dutch Pour, whatever you want to call it. I did one of these before and I recorded it, but my head was in the way because I was blowing the paint with my mouth. So unfortunately there's no video for this really cool painting that I did that I then resined in one of Tammy Anderson's classes in Connecticut. And it is just, I love this. I no longer have this right here. This was a Pebeo iridescent color. I don't have it anymore. So I made up my own batch. I'm really excited to try to do something similar to this. I have discovered that I do not like blowing into the paint with my mouth. I have asthma. I'm gonna pass out in this thing. I just know it's gonna happen. So I have decided to use this. This is my little mini blower, and I've taken the nozzle off, and I feel like this acts like my breath when I hold it a certain way down on the canvas. So this is what I'm using today instead of a straw or a blow dryer or my mouth. So wish me luck with that. My colors are Deco Art 24 karat gold mixed with Pebeo's iridescent gold. I have Silver by Winsor & Newton mixed with Pearl Green by Amsterdam. I have Light Blue, Permanent Light Blue by Master's Touch Level 3 Viscosity. And then I have this Teal, or turquoise I think it is, by Amsterdam, and I mixed some of the Pebeo iridescent gold in here. I also have this pearlized carbon black. It is a dark blue metallic by Master's Touch. And that's it. My base is titanium white by Winsor & Newton and Amsterdam. My recipe is a tweak on Olga Soby's pouring medium recipe. So it is not, there's not gonna be any house paint on this for my bloom. This is what has worked for me. Well, hopefully it works again today. We're gonna wish me luck on that. And we'll see if this works again. I think it's been doing pretty good. For my cell activator, it will be Australian Floetrol with titanium white by Winsor & Newton this time. I'm out of my Amsterdam, so it will be Winsor & Newton. And it has worked on the last painting I did, so hopefully it works again today. So, here I go. Okay, now I'm happy. This is really cool. I'm glad I went in and added some of the the more teal over here. It just looked lopsided to me. Yeah, I like this a lot. I can't wait to see how it dries. Boy, did I make a mess. I don't know which way I like it better. This way, maybe? I don't know. All right, well, the next time you guys see it, it'll be dry. We'll see if it moves or changes anymore. Thanks for watching so far. Just like the last one that I did, I had to bring it outside so you could see the sun hitting that beautiful shimmer. That teal really lit up too. I just love this method of spinning the art, and I can't wait to do more. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next project. The video with my head blowing out this painting. I was having so much fun I didn't even realize I was blocking it. So I have found out that you can't do that and make a video. Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I have started this video 3 times. So, wish me luck on this. I forgot to tell you the cool part. Oh my god, I'm so done doing this. Add more of an ingredient for myself when I'm doing other projects. I will add it and make it thicker for myself. So, here we go. That made no sense. Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I have started this video 7 times. 7 times. I don't know why I cannot get my words straight today. Hi, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Hi, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Hi, you sound like I'm 5. Oy.